everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing some decoration. You guys have asked me to do some spring decor. I'm more of a Christmas decor, but since the $5 Goodwill Challenge is coming up and it is spring and it's my favorite one of the year, I thought I was going to do some decor in the dining room. So let me show you where I'm going to decorate, because I'm not doing the entire room. I'm only doing the buffet that's behind me, and then I'll show you all of the stuff that I have, put it together, and we'll see how it looks. I don't promise anything phenomenal. So if you're new to my channel, this is the buffet that I have in my dining room, and I usually have just this little diffuser right here. I have my antique swan decor right here, and then a picture of my boys on the other side with one of those faux little, what do you call them, succulents. I put a berry garland on top, which I found at the thrift shop, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it there for spring. I really like it up on that mirror, but we'll see. So I'm going to just decorate this area right there, and this is what I'm working with. So I have some things that are new to me, and then some things that are decorations that I keep on reusing every year. This wreath right here, I believe I got it at maybe the Christmas tree shop or all that years ago. It had to be the Christmas tree shop. Really like it, very springy. I don't have to use it just for Easter, even though it's got the eggs in it, but it has some really nice foliage and some really pretty buttons of flowers here, and then some of the pink berries on the other side. I like this wreath a lot. I take care of it. Again, I think I've had it for maybe 4 years, something like this. I don't know, I'm not sure. This was my $5 Goodwill Challenge from last year. If you remember, I had purchased this under $5. This is an oil diffuser, but it originally was a terracotta, and I had painted it in white. So I really like it for the spring and summer because it has those flowers on it, and I always use a diffuser in the dining room anyway, so I'm going to swap my diffusers. And then last year I had it standing on this little bunny I got at Walgreens. So last year it was basically like this with the little bunny underneath. I'm going to do something a little bit different this year because I got some greenery. So let me show you what I purchased. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got 2 bags of moss, which I'm going to reuse for the $5 Goodwill Challenge. I got one of those big green fake boxwood, and that's going to actually go on top of the bunny like this. And then I got this, and this I'm already in love with it, and I may keep it for the whole season. I don't know if this is just going to be for Easter. So I have some deconstructed eggs. They are basically papier-mâché in that burlap color beige. And I have the same ones that have been sprayed with the fake moss. And this little wire basket here, I can't remember if it was at Hobby Lobby or somewhere else I got it. $11.99 with my 40% coupon. So I have this little wire basket here. And what I was thinking of doing was to put the moss in it and add the eggs, and then add some of that burlap ribbon that has a little bit of the lace. So let me get started. I'm going to put my wreath up first, and I'm going to just directly attach it to the mirror with one of those little suction cup hooks. Okay, before I do anything, I'm using hot glue, and I'm putting it at the bottom of the basket on all of the areas that I think are going to be touching my buffet top, because they are going to be used basically as a buffer. And that way the basket rests on this and not on the wire. I don't know if I'm making sense. So this is what it looks like. I have a little basket here with the different types of eggs and little burlap bow in the front. That was kind of difficult to put together. I kept this for now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. And then my swan is still there. I have the wreath behind it. However, I need to move it up. I think it's just a little bit too low. And then on the other side, I have my little bunny with the boxwood topiary on it, and then a repeat of the sphere with my little oil diffuser, which is running right now, and you can see there's a light in it, so in the evening it's going to look really, really nice. So this is my spring decor for this year. Again, I'm not doing too much, you guys. I have one more item to add, and that's going to be the $5 Goodwill challenge, but that is it.